Hello, hello. Michelle Watts here. I just wanted to make a short video to show you some beautiful silver coins, 0.999 fine silver coins that I have. Um, I've collected 10 of them. Here's the first one I received. It's a Krugerrand. And it's an upside down Krugerrand. There. And the opposite side. It's a South African design. And I'm wearing these gloves because I couldn't find the cute little cotton numismatic gloves that you're supposed to wear for this. With the precious metal, you don't want to allow the oil from your hands to get on the silver. And I actually joined an MLM company. I went searching, literally went searching for an MLM company that handled silver. I just love this one. It's a Greek owl. And these are upside down. See if I can get it to focus so you can see it. Sometimes you have to bring it right up to the camera and then move it back slowly. There we go. Isn't that the neatest looking thing? I just love it. That's my favorite one. And these are all 1 ounce. And it's a really neat company. You know, you can just be a customer and enjoy the coins, or you can actually become an affiliate like I did. And you can actually share this and share it and share it and build up your downline to where you can literally receive up to $10,000 a month from this company, in addition to all these wonderful free coins, because when you build that up, you leverage the platform and get free coins. And that doesn't want to focus. There, it's a little better. Looks like a Lady Liberty of some sort. My camera leaves a little to be desired. There you go. Britannia 2020. And the reverse side. My Windows 10 updated, and all of a sudden I couldn't use my camera anymore. I had to download a new program, so I'm getting used to everything all over again. And I normally just record my desktop. Well, that just doesn't want to focus. So this is a new experience for me. That's neat looking. Love the crown. Elizabeth. Alright, the second. So, let's just put these aside, so you don't have to wait so long to see the next one. But it's a really cool company. It's called Quicksilver, and I actually went to GoDaddy and got a cheap domain of my own to redirect toward my affiliate site. So if you want to see my website, you can find that at quicksilver.company. And it's not .com, it's literally .company for my domain. That'll get you to my affiliate site for the company. So this is a Philharmonic. Cute little musical instruments with some German writing by the looks of it. And here's the opposite side. These are all .999 fine silver, 1 ounce. And it's a surprise every month when you do the auto ship. You never know what you're going to get. Kind of like Forrest Gump. Life is like a bowl of chocolates or a box of chocolates. You never quite know what you're going to get. So, I have 10 of these things, and I have not even opened the last 5. You'll get to see them for the first time with me seeing it for the first time. Okay, this one is an Australian kangaroo. A little sunburst design going on. I'm having a hard time with the right side up and upside down here. There he is. Beautiful coins. Just love them. And silver right now is very undervalued compared to gold. And when that corrects itself, these are going to skyrocket in value. So I won't make any predictions. There's all kinds of experts out there making all sorts of predictions. I'll leave that to them. I'm a collector, and I guess you could consider it somewhat of an investment. And this one is a Krugerrand, like the first one was. If I can get it to focus so we can see it. There. Beautiful. And the flip side. South Africa. Alrighty. Motoring right along. Now, okay, now I'm going to have to start opening the packages. I haven't even opened these last 5 that I got. So I thought I would let some people see these cool coins that I'm getting, in case you would like to get some of your own. And they do have a Feed the Children. You can see it on the website. But that's an option. You can actually help feed the starving children with this company. So that's really cool. Especially in the day of COVID. Okay, now here's a Canadian one. A maple leaf. There it is. cool. Just sparkles. Very pretty. And yeah, I don't know. I'm no expert, but I hear people talking about how we're going to a quantum financial system that I don't even know what they're talking about. But if that happens, when that happens, I really do believe that having some silver in your possession would be a really good idea. It just may mean the difference of your family eating for a few weeks or going hungry. So I think things are going to get a little crazy for a short while. That's just my opinion. And let's see what this one is. This is like Christmas. You just don't know what's in there, but you know it's going to be good. And it's another Philharmonic. With the where's the touchy camera? There we go. And there's the back side. Cool. And we got 2 more to go. So it's a really neat company. It's very reputable. You know, they once you start building up your downline and you have people that have joined with you, they give you the option of using your earnings to pay for your coins. Or not. And it is another kangaroo. Australian kangaroo. But I've been in this company collecting these coins for 10 months now. And it just occurred to me, you know, I only have 2 people in my downline. I might get more out of this if I shared it with some more people. Alrighty, we got 1 left to check out and see what's in this package. And it is a Krugerrand. Well, beautiful. They're just so shiny and perfect. Just love them. Just love them. But you can still get them for quite the bargain price, and they are only going to drastically increase in value very quickly. So you're certainly invited to join me. Again, it's quicksilver.company for the Michelle Watts affiliate site. And that's not .com, it's quicksilver.company. Quicksilver.company. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.